Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 2, The Appearance of the Buddha. This enlightening being, supreme sound of all truths, comprehended the profound realm of reality, gave rise to great joy, and entered the sphere of action of the Buddha, his knowledge unobstructed. He entered the unfathomable ocean of the Buddha's reality body, and went to where the Buddhas were in all lands. In each hair-pore of his body he showed mystical powers. In every moment of thought he contemplated the entire cosmos. The Buddhas of the 10 directions all bestowed their power on him, causing him to rest in all meditation states, forever seeing the Buddha's body of the ocean of qualities of the boundless cosmos, including all meditations and liberations, mystic powers, and miraculous displays. Then, in the midst of the assembly, empowered by the Buddha, he looked over the 10 directions and said, in verse, "The Buddha's body fills the cosmos, appearing before all beings everywhere, in all conditions, wherever sensed, reaching everywhere, yet always on this seat of enlightenment. In each of the Buddha's pores sit Buddhas many as atoms in all lands, surrounded by masses of enlightening beings, expounding the supreme practice of the universally good. Buddha, sitting at rest on the enlightenment seat, displays in one hair oceans of fields. The same is true of every single hair, thus pervading the cosmos. He sits in each and every land, pervading the lands one and all. Enlightening beings from everywhere gather, all coming to the enlightenment scene. Oceans of enlightening beings with virtues and lights numerous as atoms in all lands, all are in the congregation of the Buddha, filling the entire cosmos. In lands numerous as atoms in the cosmos, he appears in every congregation. This realm of knowledge of body distribution can be established in the practice of universal goodness. In the congregations of all the Buddhas, enlightening beings of supreme knowledge sit, each hearing the teaching, conceiving joy, cultivating themselves in every situation for boundless ages.